Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I am with the one and only PhD.
Yes.
Futhi
Yebo kuthi.
uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
No, into engayisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates yazi ukuthi sonke iwine 3-0.
Yes.
I mean you talk about squad sethu in terms of depth. Ngibone uthi Pombuli, uTito Patrick Maswanganyi, uDancing on the bench.
Yes.
For me now this season for Orlando Pirates it was not about the first 11.
Yes.
It was about the the bench.
Yes.
It's a pity a lot of people forgot when it comes to time Guti. Orlando Pirates this season was not about the first 11, but it was about the bench. And the bench of Orlando Pirates proved that. But you talk about Sipo China, 16 clean sheets in the middle of the park. Makaula and Namtangela. Today, Ndaba playing as a left back, and in the presence of Uhotu, CM, a defender of the season, again with CBC, who was playing as a center left back. They don't understand why CBC has not played according to that level, because he's playing a center left back, not a center right back. Remember, he uses a left, he uses a right, he's playing in a left
on the
position.
left.
So abantu abaningi they judge him not understanding the position adlala kuyo. That's like you being a father and being a woman
at the same time. Single parent.
People will judge you based on that. Those who judge you forgetting that your role is not really to play as a center left back, but as a center right back. But again, you talk about Mbutuma. He scored a very important game.
Very important goal. Broke the ice on the 15th minute.
Exactly. For me, Mbutuma is that father who was not there for many years and he comes when it matters most.
Yes.
Today he came when it matters most. I mean, you talk about the psychological intelligence and the emotional intelligence to come into this game knowing exactly what you are going to your 6 matches without a goal.
Yes.
And yet he raised his hand and say, I'm coming there. Now we are talking about young players here with a level of social media pressure and many other things that go with the game. But he said, I'm going to represent. It's not easy coming into this club in an arena. By the way, a team that plays in an arena towards the end of the season and play the way he did. I mean, for Lebohile Mofokeng to play the game today or to score a goal, he needed them Mbutuma to open it. Awukho indlu engangena umnyango ongavulanga. Mbutuma became that because Amazulu were very tactical, a very strong team. Sikhuluma nge-team that is able to be number 4 or in the top 4 for many seasons, for many years. This team in less than 10 years they've played in the CAF Champions League. Akusunoma banodlala i-CAF Champions League. Abantu abaningi, the likes of Lamtutus and many other people, but confuse the CAF to CAF Champions. There's CAF Confederation, there's CAF Champions League.
The baby CAF.
Benny McCarthy, arguably the greatest footballer to come of this country, took the very same Amazulu to the CAF Champions League.
Yes.
Something that people confuse it to CAF Confederation. Kaizer Chiefs were playing CAF Confederation without being in the top 8. That alone should tell you how much it takes for such a team. Tactical discipline in many ways. They are left back I think yes, quality player. Sibilibili, I mean, he had the game of his life. Hanamo was really tough on us.
You attack him, he attacks you and he marks you.
Exactly.
Yes.
And again, they were very good in terms of tactical discipline, knowing when to move and not to move. But I think for me, the game of Orlando Pirates was won in the bench when Orlando Pirates came in after. And then because Amazulu was playing more of a physical game. Then told Makaula to say, let's not play more of the game. You need to be very aggressive, push them. Because Umuntu can be big in terms of physique, but cannot be strong.
There's power is something else.
Remember in even episode journey, they don't want the people that you think are big. The person that can run with Igani, you may think Nkuluma because Julius Malema was about almost successful. It's not because of that, but it's because but that talks about the flexibility of a player. That's why you find even not the biggest of players, but you talk about President Jama 2000, Relebohile Mofokeng, the only player who's got a PhD Yorkshire Ivana, class of his own. I think for me, I'll go down in memory line as one of the best players that I've ever seen. Abantabaning a few games or 5 games before, when I said Relebohile Mofokeng is the fresh of breath air. One of the best midfielders or one of the greatest achievers to ever come out of this
South
country.
Africa.
And I was so sober. Unfortunately, when I say things, it takes 10 years or 20
years
to
understand.
And exactly. And with time, they will understand. A very moment of...
But you must understand, not all of us have a PhD.
Fly by night, 3-day certificate. That's why I've witnessed people even go camera certificate and fly by nights trying to prove to be man level. They will never be. But it's not about me. But to talk about Relebohile Mofokeng will go down memory lane as by far one of the greatest players to ever play football in South Africa. And some of us have said it prior. But when Radio Pani, his best friend, was introduced, he went to him and said, "Ngizokushaya pass." Within a blink of a moment, Umshanga pass.
What a pass to the left there.
Uvanga left. Defender.
That pass is still playing in my head.
Unfortunately, it resulted into a penalty.
Yes.
That Relebohile Mofokeng had no other option because it was supposed to be given to Radio Pani for a confident booster.
Yes.
But then Relebohile Mofokeng goes to him and talk to him and say, "I'll have to take this one to be the leading goal scorer of the season."
Yes.
But again, because Gods of Football does not want people that are hungry in the absence of other people's success,
yes,
then the Gods of Football said no with $1 million crossbar, because that instead of being a goal, it became a cross.
And it hit the crossbar under, but that's an underbar.
He did everything right. The goalkeeper had no other option, but it hit the crossbar. To tell us that goal was supposed to be a Radio Panis goal. But again, Orlando Pirates tactically and many other ways. But when the ambulance of Tembisa, 1632, Tembisa's finest, Tito Patrick Maswanganye, class of his own, hated for being loved.
Yes.
Hated for being loved. It reminds me of myself. Hated for being loved. From being a fan to have fans, it can create some sort of love.
But I hate you as well. But now I'm interviewing you.
Yes.
Out of that hate.
Exactly.
It means I love you.
You hate me, yet you want to love. You love what I want to become.
Yes.
But you hate me.
Yes.
There's no way that you can hate something that you want to become.
Yes.
But anyway, this thing is not born of us. It's born of, like we're talking about Relebohile Mofokeng.
Yes.
If you were to watch him and had to take him, you would say, this one is too tiny. He cannot play football, and judge him according to play. That's how life is. You judge people according to how you see them, but you don't know where God is taking them. And that's how football is. It's the very same thing as Orlando Pirates played with when they started with all. Did you realize that Orlando Pirates started with all 11 South African players? Am I wrong?
No, you're 100% right now.
Yes.
Yeah, there was no foreigner. Normally there is Hoto, but now there was Ndaba, whom I believe they are grooming to be a successor to Hoto.
Yes, and if you check Orlando Pirates, in their squad, they only play with players that only shined here.
Yeah.
Tito Patrick Maswanganye was not even seen when he was playing for SuperSport.
Yes.
Sipho China, third choice, United. Mbata Namtanjela bekadlala lo ebhuthwini leshawela besibukele ebhuthwini ngamaCox. So you can tell that this is an epitome of black excellence. And Orlando Pirates give you that. No need to go to Brazil, no need to go to Germany. And by so saying, I'm not trying to say that we are against those that goes there, but I'm just trying to show you the hard work that goes along the boardroom. Yabumpumi Khoza and Nkosana Khoza, the Iron Duke himself. I mean, and many other elements of running this team. Is a very big institution. We are talking about the second biggest brand in SADC region, just behind Springbok. And Orlando Pirates becomes a fresh of breath to South African football. And I think if South African football is well represented, it's only Orlando Pirates that can represent the club. When I speak to many people who claim to be fast but are slow, and I say to them, Orlando Pirates is the only club that has lifted trophies this season. And for me, common sense tells me that Orlando Pirates is by far the most successful club this season so far.
No,
in terms of the PSL.
No, we cannot dispute that.
I'm not here to come against those that are in Clocop, because Coach Cardoso has broken a record of playing the second CAF Champions League final in a row, something that has never been done in many years. Congratulations to them. We wish nothing but the best, and we wish they don't flop like they always do in the finals.
Yes. No, thank you, PhD. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
But one thing you didn't do when you counted Orlando Pirates management, you forgot about me. I am one of those managers in my dreams.
Yes. No, you are. We are here to serve. We are here for service.
Thank you, PhD.
Danko.
Danko.